So it's Black Friday. You found a sale on Google Nest and bought one because you wanted a deal. Then you go to your house. You want to set up your Google Nest wired to your furnace, but then you check your furnace and you see these two wires. You Google everything, trying to figure out how to get the C wire, and there's no way around it unless you try and wire it from the bottom of the main board. But I'm gonna show you how to wire the Nest to control this thermostat, Hydrostat model 3150 to your Google Nest. Okay, so this is what I use to power the Nest. This is a transformer, 24 volts AC that I got from Amazon. And that's the 110 right there. And this is the 24 volts AC. Now, the top part of this transformer, the 24 volts AC, is the hot, and the bottom is the neutral. So the hot is red and the neutral is white. I'll show you later how I figured that out. And then here on the Nest, the red, hold on, sorry. The red goes to the yellow, which is the hot. And then the white wire goes to the C, which is basically the neutral, which they call the common. And that's how this Nest is powered. And then I wired a test wire to the white, the W and the R wire, which is gonna go to the thermostat. And I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. Okay, so what I have here is a meter. It's a multimeter. I use this for work, and I'm gonna show you guys that when the I guess the circuit, when the circuit is closed, or so imagine the Nest as a switch. So when you turn it on, you turn on a switch. So you close the contacts. And when that happens, in the meter, you're gonna hear a beep. So here I am. I'm simulating a close contact, and you can hear it beeping, and you can hear the resistance, which doesn't really matter. Anyways, so what that means when it's zero, that the switch has been closed. And that's what a simulation of a closed switch looks like. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting a meter on the white and the red wires, which simulates the boiler. So when the white and the red is closed, which means it's turned on, you should hear the meter beep, and the resistance should read 0 as well. So let me just put the Nest back on. Okay, so here you'll see that there's no power to the Nest. That's because I unplugged the transformer from the wall. So now I'm gonna plug it in, and then you guys will see how the whole function will start. Everything that it's supposed to do, it will start working. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and now it's doing what it's supposed to do. So at the moment, it's not hooked up to the boiler. It's just I'm just simulating the two wires, the red and the white wire is simulating the boiler. So when I tell the Alexa to turn up the heat, this should close the contact. You would hear a beep. So first, let me do it manually. Okay, so here it shows you that it's heating, and you can hear the meter beeping because now inside the nest, the red and the white wire that goes to your boiler has been turned on or has been closed. So here's how I determined which one was the neutral and which one was the hot on the 24-volt side of the transformer. So I have one of these things. I use it for work, so I don't know if you guys have it, but if I put it on the red, you're gonna see that it turns into red and it's constantly beeping, which means it's detecting 24 volts AC. And then when I put it on the white, it's just beeping blue, which means it's not detecting anything, so I'm assuming that this is neutral. Here it is again. Okay, so the main reason why I got this was so I could, I've been wanting to control my thermostat through Wi-Fi because of I travel a lot, and I also like how you can control it via Alexa. Alexa, set thermostat to 72 degrees.
The heat set to 72.
See? You gotta love technology. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, put in the comments and I'll try and see if I can answer your questions. Now, this is just a tutorial how to wire your Nest if you only have a 2-wire boiler like I have.